starting with the hands at the heart center. Inhale, sweep the arms high, open the heart. Exhale, forward fold, flat back. Inhale, look up and lengthen. Exhale, palms flat as you step back to your high plank position. Lower down, chaturanga, elbows in. Inhale up to upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Staying here for 5 breaths. Breathing in, lifting the tailbone high, exhaling. Breathing down the backs of the legs. You can bend the knees here. Make sure you're not holding tension in the face or the neck. Drawing that navel in, breathing out. When you're ready on the next exhale, soften the knees, step to the top of the mat. Inhale, look up and lengthen. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, sweep the arms high, see the sky. Exhale, hands to heart, Samastiti.